All right, let's go to counting. And 1, 2, 3. We're gonna change to the right hand. Preparation for a double turn. And 5, 6, copa. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Wear over the head. Pop the lady, 2, 3. Turn around, 6, 7. Open, 1, 2, 3. Round the world and ladies jump. 1, 2, 3. And 5, grab both hands. And down, 2, 3. A double turn for the lady. And elbow, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Throw and catch. Simple turn back and wave it. And cross. And done.